Welcome to Common English Conversation. Excuse me, can you lend me some money?
Sorry, I don't have any.
Excuse me, can you lend me some money?
Yes, how much do you need?
Can you drive me to the station?
Sorry, I have no time.
Can you drive me to the station?
Yes, I can take you.
Can you help me carry this box?
Sorry, I'm busy right now.
Can you help me carry this box?
Yes, I'll help you.
Can you open the window?
Sorry, it's stuck.
Can you open the window?
Yes, I'll open it for you.
Can you explain this word?
Sorry, I don't know it.
Can you explain this word?
Okay, let me explain it to you.
Why do you look worried?
I'm not worried at all.
Why do you look worried?
I have a big meeting tomorrow.
Why are you excited?
I'm not excited today.
Why are you excited?
My friend is visiting.
Why does she seem upset?
She isn't upset.
Why does she seem upset?
She lost her wallet.
Why are they relieved?
They aren't relieved yet.
Why are they relieved?
They found their missing dog.
Why do you look exhausted?
I'm not exhausted.
Why do you look exhausted?
I worked late last night.
Is it sunny outside?
No, it's cloudy.
Is it sunny outside?
Yes, it's bright and sunny.
Will it rain today?
No, the forecast is clear.
Will it rain today?
Yes, rain is expected.
Is it cold this morning?
No, it's quite warm.
Is it cold this morning?
Yes, it's chilly.
Was it windy yesterday?
No, it was calm.
Was it windy yesterday?
Yes, it was very windy.
Do you like hot weather?
No, I prefer cool days.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, I enjoy the heat.
Is your phone better than mine?
No, it's about the same.
Is your phone better than mine?
Yes, mine is much better.
Am I taller than you?
I think we're the same height.
Am I taller than you?
Yes, you are slightly taller.
Is this test harder than the last one?
No, it's easier.
Is this test harder than the last one?
Yes, it's more difficult.
Are you a better cook than me?
No, you are a better cook without doubt.
Are you a better cook than me?
Yes, I am better at cooking.
Is winter colder here than there?
No, it's warmer here.
Is winter colder here than there?
Yes, it's colder here.
Are you a patient person?
No, I get angry quickly.
Are you a patient person?
I try to be patient always.
Are you good with people?
No, I am shy and quiet.
Are you good with people?
Yes, I am warm and outgoing.
Is your boss easy to work with?
No, she is rude and angry.
Is your boss easy to work with?
Yes, she is approachable and calm.
Is your roommate tidy?
Yes, he is very neat.
Is your roommate tidy?
No, he is careless and messy.
Is he reliable at work?
Yes, he is always on time.
Is he reliable at work?
Not really, he is often late.
Should I bring an umbrella?
No, the weather looks clear.
Should I bring an umbrella?
Yes, it might rain later.
Should I call her now?
No, she's probably sleeping.
Should I call her now?
Yes, this is the right time to call her.
Should I take this job?
No, the salary is low.
Should I take this job?
Yes, it seems promising.
Should I study tonight?
No, take some rest.
Should I study tonight?
Yes, your exam is tomorrow.
Should I send an email?
No, a message is enough.
Should I send an email?
Yes, send an email.
How often do you exercise?
I hardly ever exercise.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
How often do you travel?
I hardly ever travel.
How often do you travel?
I travel several times a year.
How often do you eat out?
I rarely eat out.
How often do you eat out?
I eat out almost every day.
How often do you read books?
I almost never read books.
How often do you read books?
I read books every evening.
How often do you visit relatives?
I rarely visit them.
How often do you visit relatives?
I visit them every month.
Did you make a mistake?
No, I did everything correctly.
Did you make a mistake?
Yes, I made a mistake.
Did you make a reservation?
No, I forgot to.
Did you make a reservation?
Yes, I booked a table.
Can you make a suggestion?
Sorry, I have no ideas.
Can you make a suggestion?
Sure, try the new restaurant.
Did she make a good impression?
No, people seemed disappointed.
Did she make a good impression?
Yes, everyone liked her.
Can we make an exception?
Sorry, rules are rules.
Can we make an exception?
Yes, just this once.
I was wondering if you could help me.
Sorry, I'm busy right now.
I was wondering if you could help me.
Sure, what do you need?
I was wondering if this seat is free.
Sorry, someone is using it.
I was wondering if this seat is free.
Yes, it's available.
I was wondering if you remember me.
Sorry, I don't know you.
I was wondering if you remember me.
Yes, we've met before.
I was wondering if we could meet tomorrow.
Sorry, I'm unavailable tomorrow.
I was wondering if we could meet tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow works well.
I was wondering if you liked coffee.
No, I don't like it.
I was wondering if you liked coffee.
Yes, I drink it daily.
How do I get to the bank?
Sorry, I'm not from here.
How do I get to the bank?
Go straight and turn left.
How do I reach the station?
I'm not sure.
How do I reach the station?
Take the next right.
How do I find the library?
I don't know where it is.
How do I find the library?
It's behind the school.
How do I get downtown?
Sorry, I can't help.
How do I get downtown?
Take bus number 10.
How do I get to your house?
I'm bad at directions.
How do I get to your house?
Follow this road north.
Could you close the door?
Sorry, my hands are full.
Could you close the door?
Yes, I'll do it.
Could you speak more slowly?
Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Could you speak more slowly?
Of course, I'll slow down.
Could you send me the file?
Sorry, I can't find it.
Could you send me the file?
Yes, I'll send it now.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sorry, I can't repeat.
Could you repeat that, please?
Of course, let me repeat it.
Could you wait a moment?
Sorry, I need to leave.
Could you wait a moment?
Yes, I can wait.
What time do you wake up?
I don't have a fixed time.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
Do you cook every day?
No, I usually order food.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook daily.
Do you walk to work?
No, I take the bus.
Do you walk to work?
Yes, it's close enough.
Do you eat breakfast?
No, I usually skip it.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every morning.
Do you exercise before work?
No, I exercise later.
Do you exercise before work?
Yes, I do.
Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
I prefer bustling evenings.
Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
I prefer quiet mornings.
Excuse me, may I ask a question?
Sorry, not now.
Excuse me, may I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead.
May I join your group?
Sorry, our group is full.
May I join your group?
Yes, we'd be happy to have you.
May I leave a little early?
Sorry, there's lots of work.
May I leave a little early?
Yes, if your work is done.
May I sit by the window?
Sorry, someone is sitting there.
May I sit by the window?
Yes, that seat is free.
May I borrow your notes?
Sorry, I need them myself.
May I borrow your notes?
Yes, you may take them.